Hi everyone, I'm Austin with Laguna Tools, and in today's video we're going to talk about feeds and speeds, and we're going to show you how to adjust them on the fly using the ICNC controller. So let's talk about feeds and speeds. What are they? This terminology pops up all the time when we're talking about CNC routers. Essentially, feed or feed rate, usually we use inches per minute as a unit of measurement. Feed refers to how fast the tool is moving when it makes contact with your material. Speed is how fast that tool is spinning when we make contact with our material. We use RPM as our unit of measurement. It is a mixture of your feed and your speed that give you the proper chip load. Every tool manufacturer and all the different types of material you're going to use each require a different feed and speed to give you the proper chip load. Usually your bit manufacturer is going to give you a feed and speed chart. This will kind of give you a rough unit of measurement of what your speed and your feed should be to give you the proper type of chip. So why is chip load important? Well, it's easy to remember this. Anytime we're cutting with a CNC router, we should be creating chips, not sawdust. That large chip transfers the heat away from the bit over to the chip. Anytime you go over to the machine, you should be able to pick up those chips and they should feel warm in your hand. The reason we want to focus on removing the heat away from the tool is for longevity of our tool. Also, a tool that's not too hot is going to reduce the risk of burning your material. So to sum this up, remember, feed rate is how fast the bit is moving when it makes contact with the material, and speed is how fast that tool is spinning. We should always be creating chips, not sawdust. And remember, each tool and all the different types of material are going to require a different feed and speed. Your eyes and your ears are going to be your best tool to determine what the right feed and speed are. Now, most CNC machines, especially in your small format range, are going to give you the ability to control your feed and your speed right on the fly. With this controller, we're able to change the RPMs, and we can increase or decrease the feed rate while the machine is actually running. So let's show you how to do that now. On the main screen of the controller, look at the F set value and the S set value. The F set value is going to control your feed rate. Your initial feed rate is set up in your software. So setting this value to 100%, we'll take it directly from the G-code. You can increase or decrease this value before or during a file operation. The S set value will allow you to control the RPMs of the spindle. For this tool, we will set it at 24,000 RPM. And remember, this can be adjusted either before or during the file operation. Thank you so much for watching that video. If you enjoyed this content, feel free to check out some of the other videos on our YouTube channel, or visit us online at lagunatools.com. And thank you for choosing Laguna Tools.